Hi, loves. Welcome to Vlogmas day 23 through 26. I combined the days because it was the holiday and I just did a lot of crafting from my bed and hanging out with Cupcake and just taking a moment to step back from vlogging. I did vlog a little bit, and that's why you're getting this video. But I'm working on my December daily. Hey, Cupcake. And he's trying to be a good helper. So there was lots of crafting in bed. And here is my progress so far. I have my why, which is just like why I'm doing this and, wanting to leave a legacy. And then I created a page for my Dear Santa list. And then I also created like some, I don't know if you call them tip-ins, but just some fun stuff in between. And then I'm also using my faux memo to print out the text for each day. So I think I made it up to day 6 or 7 with the text. And then I have to get the pictures printed and put those in. But, and then I have to finish the rest of the days. I'm going to do up to 25 this year. Well, I may add the rest of the days like for December. So I'm not sure yet, but I do need to finish my December daily. So that's one thing that I'm trying to do before like next December, but I'm actually really close with this one. So then on one of the days, I opened up my presents. I had got 3 presents from friends. One that is a friend, and I also do business with her. I'm her program manager and for her company. And then I got another present from a friend of mine in California, and then another present from one of my sorority sisters. And so I'm going to open those for you. So this one is like, I got this little hot cocoa bar thing. I cannot wait to set up my tea section, like my little tea bar, if you will, because you guys, it's going to be so beautiful. And so I think I will do that in one of the Vlogmases to come because yes. And so I'm just showing you the card and the next thing. And then, the chopsticks, of course. And if you guys know me, I love Asian food. I love Asian, like historical Asian culture. I watch a lot of historical Asian dramas. So I do love to collect chopsticks and stuff like that. I also collect mugs. And this is an A and B D mug. So I'm really happy to have that one. I'm going to wash that out and then probably I use that this week. So this gift is from my friend Denise, and she's so thoughtful with her gifts. Like, do you have a friend that like gives gifts that are so you? Like, she pays attention. Like, she's way like far ahead with paying attention to like during the year, and she's much better than I am at that. And so I really always appreciate getting a gift from her, even though it's not required or expected or anything like that. So it's so fun. And they're always well wrapped. So this is the card. And then I got Ghirardelli chocolates, and I love the peppermint bark. A fun fact about me is I don't like chocolate unless something is in it, like something crunchy. Like I like Crunch Bars or Reese's Peanut Butter Cups or like Snickers bars. I'll eat those, but I don't like just straight chocolate. So, fun fact. And, okay, so I'm opening this gift and it is so me. So this, I guess you would call it a pen case or like a travel planner pouch. That's what I'm going to use it for. And she packed it with all kind of fun journaling goodies. The tulle pen. If you guys aren't up on these tulle pens, they are so nice to write with. Oh my goodness. And then in this pocket, there's some washi tape and some distressed ink. And I cannot wait to use the distressed ink because I've been into that lately. I'm trying to build up my distressed ink collection. So then in this other compartment, it's also filled with like goodies. Okay. So, oh, and then there's another compartment. I mean, it was just like opening and opening and opening, and it was great. Um, so I'm opening right now a set of markers, and I can't wait to try these out on some of the new notebooks that I got to see if they will bleed through or what the color payoff is. Can't wait. And then you see the stickers in the background that are like typewriter stickers. I love those. I'm into those lately too. And then we've got tweezers for picking up like your stickers and your small things and putting them in your journal. I definitely need to do more like journal with me so you can see my journaling process and, you know, how I make the page look and then how I, you know, write the copy. But it just is very fun and relaxing to me. So I haven't been really sharing that, but I do want to share that more. And then here is a mini journal that's really popular with the planner community to do these mini journals. So I'm going to try it out with that one and see how that works. And then this cute little thing is full of, I believe they are stickers, but you can put those in your journal or in your planner. Aren't they cute? And they have this like vintage vibe. I'm actually have been really into vintage lately as well. I've always been into it, but like I think it just ebbs and flows, and so it's coming back. My love for vintage. So it was like a pleasure opening that because I feel like every pocket had something in it, and I probably missed something that I wasn't paying attention to. So that's going to be interesting. I'm going to go back through it and see. And then I unwrapped this bow, and it looks like it might be a pen holder. So I'm going to try to put one of my Villa Beautiful pens in it when I really set the pouch up. And then now I'm unwrapping an ice facial massager. So I can't wait to use this as well. Thank you, Denise. Oh, and I forgot to say thank you, Adrian, for the gift before. But yeah, thank you. And then, so this present I am opening, and I had a little struggle to get it out of the box. So, I mean, get it out of the packaging. So I had to do that off camera. And then here it is so far. So this gift is going to help me set up my tea bar section that I told you guys about earlier. It's so pretty. Look at this. They are like pink marble swirled teacups and saucers, and it's got the gold rim. You guys know if you've been to my channel that pink, gold, that's my color scheme. Anything with a little like bling and a little prettiness, I love it. Can't wait to use this little candle warmer thing. And then the saucers are there. I think there's 6. I didn't take this all the way out, but that is the tea mug, not mug, but what is it called? The tea kettle, I guess. And it has where you can put the tea inside of it. Like the little strainer is already built in. And then of course the little rack that I'm putting up is where you hang the teacups. And the tea kettle has a little heart handle. So I love the details on this, as well as the little spoons are little, what are they called? Lotus? Are they not lotus? What's the flower called? It's not a rose. I think it might be a lotus. I don't know. I'd have to look it up, but it's so cute how this is done. And then of course, this is the aftermath, and this is what we had for Christmas.